Hello viewer, you have already seen our introductory part of character. I hope you got it very well. But before going to start our play, I want to summarize whole play in Hindi. ये कहानी सत्ता के प्रति एक लालच की कहानी है। ये कहानी है स्कॉटलैंड की। वहाँ एक राजा हुआ करता था, किंग डंकन। उसका एक जनरल था मैकबेथ। वो बहुत ही बहादुर योद्धा था। एक बार स्कॉटलैंड के ऊपर नॉर्वे और आयरलैंड ने हमला कर दिया। किंग डंकन को चिंता नहीं थी क्योंकि उसके पास मैकबेथ था। मैकबेथ बहुत ही बहादुर था। मैकबेथ अपनी सेना के साथ युद्ध की ओर निकला और वह युद्ध जीत गया। जब वह युद्ध से वापस आ रहा था तो उसकी मुलाकात 3 विचेस से हुई। वो 3 विचेस बहुत ही डरावनी थी, जैसे सीधे कब्र से निकल के आई हो। विचेस ने मैकबेथ को बताते हुए यह बोली कि वह तो भविष्य का होने वाला राजा है स्कॉटलैंड का। और बेनक्यू जो उसके साथ ही खड़ा था उससे बोला कि मैकबेथ के बाद तुम्हारा बेटा ही स्कॉटलैंड का राजा बनेगा। मैकबेथ उस टाइम पे ध्यान तो नहीं देता है, लेकिन बाद में वो अपनी वाइफ के साथ मिलकर, जो कि लेडी मैकबेथ है, और डंकन को मरवा देते हैं। उसके बाद वो बेनक्यू को भी मरवा देते हैं, क्योंकि चुड़ैलों ने ये भी भविष्यवाणी करी थी कि मैकबेथ के बाद बेनक्यू का बेटा ही राजा बनेगा। तो वो बेनक्यू को भी मरवा देते हैं, बट उसका बेटा बच जाता है। एक रात मैकबेथ सोया हुआ था तो उसे बेनक्यू का भूत दिखाई देता है। वो कांपने लग जाता है और वह बहुत ही डर जाता है। अगले दिन वो फिर से उन चुड़ैलों के पास जाता है और बोलता है कि मुझे बचा लो, कहीं मैं ही ना मर जाऊं, मुझे बेनक्यू का भूत दिखा था। तो वो कहती हैं कि तुम्हें औरों से तो जो भी है, लेकिन तुम्हें मैकडफ से सावधान होने की जरूरत है। तो वो वापस जाता है और मैकडफ की फैमिली को भी मरवा देता है। मैकडफ गुस्से से लाल हो जाता है और उसे मैकबेथ पे बहुत ही ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है। वो मैल्कन, जो कि किंग डंकन का बेटा था, उसके पास जाता है और एक आर्मी बनाता है और मैकबेथ पे हमला कर देता है। क्या मैकबेथ मारा जाएगा इस युद्ध में, या फिर वो स्कॉटलैंड का राजा बनेगा? इसके लिए आप सभी को हमारे प्ले को देखना होगा मेरे दोस्तों के साथ। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Should we think as it again? Will it be thunder, lightning and rain?
We will meet when the voice of battle is over, when one side has won and the other has lost.
That will happen before sunset.
Finally, in the evening, the battle is over. Scotland won the battle against Ireland and Norway. The Scottish general Macbeth emerged out as the hero of the victory. After their victory, Macbeth and Banquo, the 2 generals of King Duncan, are on their way back home. Suddenly, they find 3 strange sisters, the witches, on their way.
What are these creatures? They don't even look like humans. Who are you?
Speak, if you can.
All hail Macbeth, the Thane of Cawdor.
Macbeth, you are the future king.
And Banquo are less than Macbeth, but
Not as happy as Macbeth, yet much happier.
Your son will be the king, even though you will be not.
Wait. I'm a Thane of Glamish, not the Thane of Cawdor. And for me to be a king, it's just impossible. Who told such strange things to you? Tell me.
well, these things are really here? Or are we both on drugs?
And your children will be the king.
You will be the king.
And the Thane of Cawdor as well. Isn't it what they said?
That's exactly what they said.
The king is happy to hear of your success. Macbeth messengers delivered news of your bravery to the king.
He has sent us to give you thanks and to bring you to him. He has rewarded you with the title of Thanes of Cawdor.
Banquo and Macbeth are both shocked to hear about Macbeth's promotion. It seems as if the prophecy by the witches is turning true. They then leave for the palace where King Duncan is waiting for Macbeth's arrival.
My worthiest Macbeth, you have done so much for me, for the country.
The opportunity to serve you. It's my good fortune, my master.
I'm so happy with you, Macbeth. Let's celebrate the night together in Custer.
After a victory at the battleground, I met 3 witches. They greeted me as the Thane of Cawdor and also as the future king. Surprisingly, the king has made me the Thane of Cawdor. I thought I should tell you this. Keep it a secret and farewell. Now that you are Thane of Cawdor, you are going to be the king as well, just like you were doing. Great Thane of Cawdor, you will soon be greater than both of the titles once you become the king.
We will talk about this later, my dear. Tonight, Duncan is coming here and he plans to leave tomorrow.
That day will never come because tonight will change every day and night for the rest of our life.
Are you thinking about killing the king?
You don't look troubled.
King Duncan arrives at Macbeth's castle along with his 2 sons, Malcolm and Donovan, and his generals Macduff, Banquo, Ross, and Angus. Lady Macbeth welcomes her guests. While everyone was having their dinner, Macbeth leaves the dining room. Lady Macbeth follows him.
It's so strange. Now, I'm the Thane of Glamis and the Thane of Cawdor as well. But the best part of prediction is still to come.
Why did you leave the dining room?
How do I go out with this plan? He has just honored me.
What are you afraid of? Are you going to live as a coward your whole life? When the king sleeps, make sure that he doesn't wake up ever again. I have got the cast drunk and now it's easy for you to kill the kingdom.
I'm ready to commit my crime. Let me hold it. I have done the deed. The king has been murdered.
Now kill the sleeping guards as well. We must make it look as if they are guilty.
Good morning, worthy Thanes. Is the king awakened?
Not yet.
Commanded me to wake him up early, but I forgot. I need to rush and wake him up early. Oh, horror, horror, horror!
What happened? What made you scream so hard?
Oh, gentle lady, how do I tell you what my eyes have just seen? Oh, Banquo! Oh, Macbeth! The king has been murdered!
What? The king?
I wish I died a moment before hearing this.
What's wrong? Your royal father has been killed.
What? Who did this?
The cast did it, and I still regret killing those guards in anger.
It's hard to believe, don't you think? We are the next to be murdered.
Our father has been murdered, Malcolm. Definitely, we are the next.
It's tough to know who is the real murderer. I don't feel safer. I'm going to England.
And I'll go to Ireland. It's the only way we could be safer.
Who committed this crime?
The servant whom Macbeth killed.
If the princes Malcolm and Donalbain has ran away, which make them the prime suspect.
What could force them to do this?
It looks like Macbeth will become the king now.
Macbeth has now become the new king of Scotland. He is resting in his room. But there is something that is continuously troubling the new King Macbeth. Lady Macbeth asks him the cause of his anxiety.
The great king of Scotland, what are you worrying about? You are the king and I am the queen. Isn't it all what we have ever wanted?
To be a king is nothing if you don't feel safe like a king.
You have a great army for your security. Then what are you feeling unsafe for?
Don't you remember the Prohansi by the three sisters?
That young man cannot do any harm, dear king. Moreover, we have already killed Duncan. If we need to kill Banquo and his son, then too is not a big deal.
On the suggestion of Lady Macbeth, Macbeth arranges a murderer to kill Banquo and his son. The murderer is successful in killing Banquo, but his son Flans runs away. Next morning, the murderer comes to Macbeth's castle to inform him about the murder.
Banquo is killed, Your Highness. But Flans managed to escape away. Sir, I tried to follow him, but he ran away.
What do I do now? Maybe the three witches could suggest some way out for me. Oh powerful spirit, where are you? I need your help. Help me.
Speak.
Demand.
I'm sure you know the causes of my anxiety.
Our past prophecy about the future king is still the same.
The only man you should fear is Macbeth.
Macbeth feels relaxed when the witches tell him that no one born of woman can harm him. He assumes that he is immortal and returns to his castle where the messenger is waiting for Macbeth.
My master, I have news for you.
Yes, say it.
Macbeth has run away to England without telling anyone.
I am happy to see you, Clarence. I'm sure Macbeth ordered to kill your father.
Yes, and now he will be searching us.
We should do something about together.
Let's join our hands for this work. I lead my army with your guidance against Macbeth.
My master, the British army led by Flans and Macbeth is heading toward our kingdom.
Oh, so Macduff and Fluence are together against me, but their army cannot harm me. I'm safe here.
Your end is near, Macbeth. You have not only the murder of King of Duncan, but also my family. I will never lose you.
You cannot defeat me, Macduff, nor can your army. I'm immortal.
Evil spirit that you serve can tell you I was not born, Macbeth. I was not born. They cut me out of my mother womb before she could bear me naturally.
What? Does it mean you are not born from woman? Those other sisters, they betrayed me. They made sure that I don't live a peaceful life. My life has been run by them.